Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the color space settings in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first we need to scroll to the left where all our widgets are and scroll down to the settings. Here we have to enter the all settings and now scroll down to the picture. Here we have to click this picture and scroll down to the expert settings. Here we have to scroll down till we see our option. Here, color space settings. We have to click that. And here we have a lot of options actually, so be prepared. Here we do have color space. We can click it. And here we do have auto, native or custom. Here we can switch using the OK button. But to modify we have to switch to the custom. Here we have color, and at first we can change the color. And here we can modify our red saturation level, green and blue. Here we can reset all the settings that we have made, and same is with the green here, and same is the blue here, yellow here, cyan and magenta. These are the presets, of course, so don't think that you are modifying the different colors. These are all the presets actually. So let's leave it on the magenta because I really actually like this preset. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!